Hello, and welcome to another updated video about Ethereum. At the moment, I assume we are in circle wave 4. This is part of our yellow wave count, where the larger degree fourth wave might have bottomed already on April 13th after beginning around March 11th. So we saw a move to the downside, which could be considered a complete correction in a fourth wave. Again, it might have bottomed there. What do we need to see as the first evidence that we've indeed bottomed? Well, we need a 5-wave move to the upside in the yellow scenario, which would have to be a diagonal pattern. I can't really justify this as an impulse to the upside. In the last videos, we mentioned that so far we completed 3 waves. We would have liked to see a little higher in the third, but it already met the minimum requirements. It's now come down a bit too low for a further continuation within circle wave 3, so I anticipate that we are already in the 4th wave of this 5-wave move that started on April 13th. We need these 5 waves to get further confirmation that the entire larger correction finished on April 13th. Unfortunately, price action in this low area is a bit ambiguous. I won't rule out a different wave count if you have an alternative solution. The key is not necessarily to have the perfect wave count, but one that works for trading and investing and tells us when the market might deviate from the suggested pathway. For now, not much has happened. The support area is still intact, the same one I showed you yesterday. It did make one more high but did not stretch to test the March highs, which I preferred. Therefore, I now assume we are in circle wave 4 and it could have topped in the larger B wave. This is the short-term bearish count, but I can't confirm that until we break below 3,330, which is the 50% Fibonacci level. Even then, it might find support at the golden ratio level, but if it breaks below 50%, typically it fails. I've added some additional levels to watch, like in the white box. These are the Fibonacci extensions based on the microstructure we're dealing with. I consider this move down into the May 23rd low as an A wave, the rally that topped on Monday as a B wave in yellow, and now we are moving down in the C wave of wave 4. This increases the odds of the yellow count if this is a high B wave because it is bullish. We need to watch 3,567 next, which is the 100% extension key level, also in the area of the previous swing low. The 38.2% retracement overlaps with the 1.236 extension, so there's a Fibonacci confluence around 3,470. This is a very important level, and we'll see if the price reacts there. Further levels to watch are down to 3,330. Ideally, the price turns around in this region and starts wave 5, which would also be an ABC structure and could take us close to new all-time highs. This B wave could have topped, but I have no evidence for that because the movements to the downside appear corrective. I give the bulls the benefit of the doubt for now. It takes a break below 3,330 to confirm further that the white count is leading, which is the short-term bearish scenario. Until then, the benefit of the doubt goes to the bulls. I can give you a target for the 5th wave once we have a low in place for wave 4. We can double check by using the initial 1-2 setup and the extension reached in the 3rd wave. We reached between the 1.786 and 200% extension. So in the 5th wave, I'm looking for 4,280, maybe even 4,460. This can be calculated more precisely once circle wave 4 has bottomed. That's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. If you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Also make sure to follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.